Sticker Mule review today on Mikey's Lab. Hey, and welcome back to the lab. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below to ensure that you get all the updates from the lab. So I was in the middle of recording the review for the software for the Nixie tubes when some buttons showed up and some stickers showed up. I'm going to go right ahead and put this out there first. This is not a paid promotion. They did not send these to me for free. I bought these with my own money, and I wanted to take a look at them. I'm not a button expert, and I'm not a sticker expert, but I'm pretty sure I know what your average person is going to want when they receive these products. So let's dive down to the bench, and let's take a look at what we received. We'll look under the microscope to see what kind of quality we got, and we'll talk from there. Okay. So we have a big bag of stickers, or a big bag of buttons here. And it's asking me to submit feedback to their Twitter account. I think we'll do that with this video. I can't read the signature, but thank you whoever you were. So at first glance, the workmanship on the buttons look actually very good. The deal I got was $19 for 50 buttons, which seemed alright to me. Normal price I think is $40 for 50 buttons, which seems a touch high. I don't know, I've never bought buttons before, but they're significantly bigger than I anticipated. However, they're the exact size that was promised to me. I just am not overly well versed in imperial measurements. They are an American company, so they work in imperial. Take a look at the back. Looks like it's just kind of your standard button, right? The actual pin is not really attached. It's just inserted through a couple of holes. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but my guess is it will hold just fine. I wonder if we could pop one of these open and see what's behind the actual printing. I'll flathead screwdriver here and see if I can pop the front off. Okay, so it looks like the way the buttons are manufactured is a coating that's printed onto the front, feels kind of waterproof, is attached to a metal disc. Looks like it's glued and folded here. Looks like a really good quality. With that much of an overlap, I don't think it's going to come apart anytime soon. As I said, the button's not attached, but you do have this squiggle part here, which will add a little bit of resistance to deformation. My wife really likes buttons, and I've noticed that the pin is usually the weak point in the button. And I'm happy to say that on this particular button, the pin seems very robust. Doesn't feel like it wants to bend. Has good deflection when you open it, and good resistance to putting back, but not enough that it hurts your hand. So let's take a look at the buttons under the microscope and see what we kind of have over here. So I apologize, my microscope monitor is over here, so I'm probably not going to be staring at the camera all that much, but we don't really care about my face when we're looking at it. Well, we do, but it's on the button. Anyway, over here. If you take a look, you can see that the printing quality looks actually quite good. And if I move this around, see if I can get to the text here. Alright. Even at this magnification, there's a little bit of fuzz around on the printing, but again, this is under a microscope. You don't see this, right, when you're looking at it. Right, color replication is pretty good too. You can definitely see the patterning in the printing as it's not solid colors. Right, and the shading's the same way. It's not quite solid, but there's not the edges around the font are not 100% sharp. But again, They're relatively cheap buttons, but and you don't really see it when you're looking at it from this angle, as I'm sure you can see right there. So all in all, I don't mind the buttons. They definitely have a decent quality to them for the cost that they were. I'm sure if there's another time that I need buttons, that I'm definitely going to be ordering from Sticker Mule again. It was very fast shipping. Their customer service, I had a problem with the stickers originally. They took care of it right away. Speaking of the stickers, let's drop back over to the bench now. Alright. So this is the other part my wife's been waiting for. And me too. So we're going to open this up. It looks like a different person. This one's Sandy. Did the sticker order. So thank you, Sandy. I don't know who you are, but I'll definitely tag on Twitter when I post this. We got a bunch of Sticker Mule stickers. A little bit of shameless self-promotion, but I guess that's why I ordered stickers too, huh? And then we have Mikey's Lab stickers. As you can see, I haven't opened them yet. So let's grab a tool. Let's get right on in here. Apparently the plastic they wrap this in is stronger than I am. Now these are the die cut stickers that I ordered. I wanted them to have a shape to them. And this is my first time handling one of them. You definitely see some dust from the die cutting. It's a very smooth feel. Printing looks excellent. The die cutting, there's a little bit of roughness, but for the cost of the stickers, I would not complain. Right, so why don't we zoom down on these on the microscope and see what we have with these. Well, under the microscope, as you can see here, the colors are a lot more precise than they are on the button. They're not made of little dots. The edges on the printing look much better on the stickers than they did on the button. You can see on the edge though that the die doesn't seem like it was all that sharp. Right now I don't know if anybody cares. I personally am perfectly fine with that. Color replication between the button and the sticker seems to be pretty good. Right, definitely seems to be the same color. Let's get to the text here to see some sharpness. Again, you have the same kind of light fuzz around the text, but all in all, not bad. So I only got 10 of the stickers, right? Because I wanted to see what quality was going to come. I must admit, as I said at the beginning, I'm not a sticker expert and I'm not a button expert. For what I paid for these, I'm quite happy. I think that maybe the $40 for 50 buttons might be a touch high, given what we know by ripping one of them apart. However, the overlap seems like there'll never be a problem for them to come apart unless somebody like me happens where, let's grab a screwdriver and see what's on the inside. The stickers, I'm happy with the stickers. I wish the die had been just a touch sharper so that we wouldn't have the dust fragments around on them. But they feel good. They feel strong. They feel thick. I will definitely be ordering more stickers from Sticker Mule. So there you have it. Again, not a video that was sponsored by anybody. I bought these products with my own money. I am happy with what I got. I will probably order more stickers. I think 50 buttons is more than enough to last me a lifetime, though. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, by all means let me know. And once again, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. If you like this video, smash the like button. If you have any comments, any questions, by all means, comment section down below. I will be back very shortly in the next couple of days with the code video for the NixieTube display. And have a great day.